Roti Master, we do a wide variety of food, you know. We do bakes, we do aloo pie, we do roti obviously, we do fish, you know, basically mutton, stew chicken, curry chicken, you know, oxtail and pepper steak and all them things, the rice and peas, plain rice. We do some natural juices as well, you know, some sorrel, some carrot juice and some cucumber juice. You don't know, I think say Roti Master #1 in a Pride St. George's Walk. Big up. One love.
Roti.
It's fine.
Really nice. And you think it's one of the best roti around town, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.